Our project is about music and mental health. We chose this topic because we noticed a correlation between music and mental health. So we decided to ask students if they use music as an emotional outlet.
Do you use music as an outlet?
Yes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I do. It allows me to regulate my emotions depending upon the music. Like if I'm super sad, I'll listen to sad music so I can cry it out. Or if I'm happy, I'll start listening to upbeat music. Just like regulation with music is really helpful for me.
We knew that there was plenty of research that connects music and mental health. According to the Journal of Consumer Research, music is a valid therapy to potentially reduce depression and anxiety, as well as improve mood, self-esteem, and quality of life. The Marks Institute for Brain Behavior and Development found that music makes the brain trigger particular emotions, which often leads to more positive effects towards mental health. However, we wanted to look at the students around us and see how music affects our peers.
We had the students from our school fill out an anonymous Google Forms survey. When we asked students if they suffer from mental health conditions, 59% of the student body said, yes, we do. We also asked students to rate their mental health on a scale of 1 to 10. The majority of the students rated their mental health between 5 and 10, but we still had students that weren't doing well. We wondered if music could help these students. Since we wanted to learn more about the effects of music, we asked students if they listened to music when they were sad. The majority said yes or sometimes, which proves that music is something that teenagers turn to as an emotional outlet. We also asked if the music makes them feel better, which again, the majority said yes or sometimes. After the survey, we concluded that music could be very beneficial to people's mental health.
We found a study by Clearview Health that supported the theory that music therapy could help to treat depression and anxiety. Music therapy is using music to accomplish individualized goals, such as reducing stress and improving moods. Music therapy may include listening to music, singing, playing instruments, or composing music. The charts here show that music therapy, along with traditional therapy, helps decrease anxiety and depression in patients after 6 months. The chart on the right shows that music therapy is more beneficial in helping depression, but it also helps with anxiety. Music therapy is still being researched, and there are more and more studies showing the benefits. The New York Presbyterian Hospital released an entire playlist for performing CPR on patients. They found that music could actually help lower blood pressure and improve cardiac health. If patients listen to music over 60 minutes following taking medication, their heart rate drops. The songs they listened to were instrumental versions of Hello and Someone Like You by Adele, as well as Watermark by Enya. They found that intentional music promotes positive moods and emotions. We found an article from the New York Academy of Science stating that they found a positive correlation. Basically, music has been shown to engage the sensory processes and emotional processing parts of the brain in a positive way by making the neural connection in the brain faster and more efficient. We asked some students if they felt happier after they listened to music and recorded their responses.
Does music make you feel happy?
Yes, it does.
It can, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
It does. It really does. When you find that good song, you just...
We then proceeded to ask how their mood affected what music they listened to.
How do your emotions affect what kind of music you listen to?
Well, it usually affects it depending on what I need the outcome to be. Like, if I need the outcome for me to be, like, more hyped up and ready to do something, I'll listen to happy music, like pop.
Usually if I'm feeling more somber, more slow music, things like Alec Benjamin.
This data helps prove the declining mental health in students and helps confirm the theory that mental health and music have a positive correlation. The data also proves that students use music as an emotional outlet to process emotions.